What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, Brian, and today we're back on the Factory 35 hot rod truck, and we've got some small things we're going to knock out today. This is going to be a little thing video, and we're really just going to clean up some things, some little issues that we noticed. Brian, you want to turn the wheel and show the first issue that we're running into? So right here, Brian's keen eye noticed. Yeah, it is a little bit of an effort, but if you look right there, oh, we're getting a little contact. That's not good. So I got some spacers, and we're gonna try and space it out and see where this sits after the spacers. We also got new gas hose. For some reason, I think the other hose that we got, that's brought in the kit, was just a little too small. I mean, stuff happens and everything. We just couldn't really get it over there. So I had taped the gas fill so it doesn't smell like fumes in here. But now I got a hose that's actually big enough to fit over that. So we're gonna actually have a gas cap and a gas fill now. And I know I said we were gonna do this before we were first starting first drive, but my patience is not good. But we have, we're gonna actually wire up my oil pressure gauge. And this is part of the reason why I haven't really driven this unless absolutely necessary, like the first drive, because yeah. And when we pulled it out to get the body on, but I haven't really driven around the block after the first drive because I really want to make sure that oil pressure is good. It sounds good, there's no weird noises or anything like that, but I like having a visual indication of it. So we're gonna finish doing the oil pressure gauge as well. Then what we're gonna do, Brian, is that'll sum it up right now?
Yeah, but sum it up for today, probably. Yeah. I gotta work tonight, so.
Yeah, Brian's gotta work tonight. I don't have to work tonight, but I still gotta edit these videos and everything. And there's gonna be a change. Brian, you're going on vacation next week?
Yep, I'll be down in Georgia next week visiting the fam.
Yeah. And I'll be
playing golf and shooting guns.
Kind of jelly, actually. And I'm gonna be on vacation for a while, so by the time this video actually comes out, I'll probably be knee deep in my vacation time, but you guys will see coming up as well. I'm actually going to the Raptor Assault School coming up, so I actually get to take Ford's Raptor and learn it off-road, and they're gonna teach me all the different, the capabilities of the truck, and then I get to rip on their Raptors. So that's gonna be a great video that's coming up soon, so stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, so Brian and I are both going to be on vacation for a little bit, so I'm gonna try and make sure I stagger these videos out to where you guys still have constant content though, because I can't leave you guys hanging. All right, stay tuned.
going on, guys? We got fuel cap installed, a little fuel hose there, so we got the right size. That's all working out really well. So now we don't have ugly blue painter's tape keeping the fumes from poisoning Masha. That's what's really important here. All right, we're gonna get back to work. We'll see you in the next update.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey, what's going on, guys? You just saw me throw the spacers in for the front wheel, see if we can get some more tire clearance. Quick test on the other side kind of showed that, but I'll have Gary there when he gets done wiring some stuff in.
I can do it real quick.
Give me a steering wheel spin.
This way, right?
Yeah, that'll work.
That's all I got.
And that one is still on there.
That one's still hidden?
Yeah. Not as much. Well,
Actually, no, it's not. It's like a millimeter. But once we fix the toe and everything, there'll be more clearance.
that is true. So, a little bit of alignment stuff to do here, but
Yeah, it's like a millimeter. I can see it, but I can still see air.
so we'll get a we got a buddy coming over. Actually, the guy that sold the BMW has some alignment tools, so we will maybe get that aligned and be able to turn the wheel fully. That's always important. All right, we'll get back to work. Catch you on the next update.
Alright, what's up, guys? So, as you see, I just wired up my oil pressure gauge. So the first thing I'm going to try and do is just turn it on and put the ignition to just on. And the gauge does turn on and did its swipe. So we're going to start it and see if we actually have oil pressure indicating. So make sure we're in park so I don't drive through anything. Oh, it's a great day hearing that every day. All right, so yep, now I have a working oil pressure gauge, and I don't know if you guys saw, but I have about 60 pounds of oil pressure. That at idle, that makes me happy. Hell yeah. All right, sweet. So is that about a wrap, Brian? You gotta head out real soon, don't you?
In a little bit.
Yeah. So, we're actually gonna cut this video right here. Brian did the spacers, he showed you guys what's going on, and I did the wiring on the oil pressure sensor. So, yeah, it's good. Again, I really do appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like content like this, you like seeing what we're doing, smash that subscribe button. I try to release videos very consistently, so there's always something to look forward to. And if you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below, tell us what we're messing up, tell them what we're doing right. Hey, I read and comment on every single comment that's on these videos. And Brian's in there and he comments in every once in a while as well. But have a good one, guys.